Are you complaining, Trip? Hot tub category one day. Yeah, one day. Yeah, one day. One day. I gotta do a couple things first, so. And one thing that has to be first is crypto. Like, my goodness. Like, shit or get off the pot, Bitcoin. Just so annoying, you know? Like, anyways, let's take a look at the daily here. Huh, this is interesting price action. So we did have the... This could be shoulder, head, shoulder, eh? So we had the rejection on the 50, but it looks like we may challenge it again, which is a good sign. We get above the 50 MA, we should be okay. We're holding the weekly 50 MA. I mean, that's really important. It's really, really important. Yeah, it hasn't broken it since we broke through it, eh? So that'll be a signal when the bear market has started if we get a close below. We never had a close. We had wicks down below it, but it got back up. 3-day, well, anytime under the 3-day has been a good buy. So let's think of this. We have a lot of fear right now. Like tons of fucking fear. And we're below the 300 daily 50 MA, which every single time in this bull market, for Bitcoin anyways, not the alts, anytime we've been under the 3-day moving average has been a buy. Like all day. So we're in that realm again. And also with the testing of the weekly. So it's a very interesting price level we're at right now. With a lot of fear, and retail's all fearful right now. Not saying that we're not fucking retail or anything. I'm just saying, like, you know, a lot of people are pretty scared. So in terms of that, I'm thinking we still hit the bottom. You know, we're always warning about the sweep down to here. Well, we achieved it. Now it just looks like bottoming formation, shit like that. Like this could come back down again and do it here. Like it could do whatever the hell it wants. Or it could just say, yeah, we're done, and then goes. 4 hour wants to go, so we'll see if it continues on. I readjusted the channeling. So now that we got this, once we get above this, this should be good. And this right here, so if we take the context that this is shoulder, head, and then this is the other shoulder representing over here. Well, once we get above this line there, then yeah, we should zoom up to the all-time high. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, Sement's worse. Even the liquidation value was worse than COVID. Everything was worse, like on every scale. So, you know, it's either you sell at a loss into fear or you wait. You know, waiting seems to be one of the better options here. There's literally a storm, like, what do you mean, like a weather storm? Or you're talking markets? Yeah, see, like, this looks very favorable here on the 1 hour. Nice bullish crossover. Just the way it's hitting the MAs, coming down the tested this morning. Didn't really do too much. We're holding, we're back in the 110s. You know, this overlappy stuff, as annoying as it is good news, because it just means we're corrective right now. especially to the downside with this overlap. Like this here gave a lot of overlap, which definitely suggests this is nothing more than corrective price action. Because if you're gonna look at this, you know, boom, there was no overlap. Like here there was this, but it was kept being series of lower highs. So I mean, totally different price action. Yeah, price action was totally different than what we're seeing right now. Because one could argue this is an ending diagonal. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom, done. However, I just disagree with that right now. Until further price action below. Like breaking the 100K could confirm that at this point. Like right now, I don't really want to see 100K again. That's just my personal thing on that. Well, it doesn't seem like it's giving me any more viewers on fucking YouTube. So we're gonna go back to our normal music, even though we get copyright strikes. I'm gonna switch my dual output to something else, maybe TikTok, eh? Imagine. Oh. Ooh, the Wolfie's coming back. Looks like he did a little ABC here. Holy is basically a 1-to-1. Ever cool, huh? Ever cool. Ever. You know, notice it come down and check this price area right here. Could even come down to here. We were talking about that, but that's kind of all it needs. It has some price leveling over here as well. So, look at this right here. This pivot point. That's where it came down to. Is right here. Oh, interesting. Well, let's see if that holds. I mean, it's a pretty small wave. Yeah, we'll see if the miners start making some new highs this year or next year, because that'll be a key indication, I would think. Look at the Binance charts, eh? They're just all chopped. What's H-bar doing there? Not looking too hot there. Should be turning around soon, as long as Bitcoin breaks out of this area. Like, we need this fucking level. Like, we need it. We need the 110.3 right now. We need this level, guys. Here, let's put a magnet there. Making a nice orange magnet. Not too thick, just right. No, that orange is... We'll make it this kind of green. Then after, it's this pink line. This one. That's what you think about dominance. That'd be cool. Hell, even go lower, bitch. Oh, come on. So all the other SIs are so 30-minute and down, right? Maybe it needs to do A, B, C horse shit. Yeah, one day either this is just gonna die or it's just gonna go and leave everybody behind. I don't know if I believe the whole trunk up thing. I think that's just somebody that is like overthinking a situation. I say we wait until we pick a side and which camp we're on that. But trunk up in Bitcoin would be fine, but as long as the alts have a good run. So that's something to note on BTC dominance. We are under the weekly SMA. We tried going above and got hit hard. And the last time we were under it. Well, so like look at this big thing right here, December 2020. There's the big wick up, down. So I wonder if that would kind of constitute as this, just on a smaller scale. Fuck, this was the month to make money, man. Oh, it just comes so fast. It's like $500,000, bud. Here you go. You gotta sell it because it ain't going any higher. But when you're in it, it's different. It's easy hindsight. It's easy from the outside looking in. But when you're in it and it's your fucking money, it's like it's a whole different ball game. And only through experience and loss will you learn your lessons. I have a lot more down to go on dominance, yeah. Yeah, it's a perfect setup for wave 3, it really is. I mean, this would be 1, and then we're kind of doing wave 2, and then that'd be excellent. And if Bitcoin's going up at the same time, that's even better. That's really the perfect storm that we want. So you guys know that we're starting mass. Yeah, we're putting mass begins. My ball scratcher, well, first of all, it's not a ball scratcher, it's a back scratcher. It feels nice on the beard, it gets in there really deep. You know, do you have a beard trip? Probably not. Because if you did, you would understand. You would know the pleasure of digging deep into the beard. My ball scratcher, well, first of all, it's not a ball scratcher, it's a back scratcher. It feels nice on the beard. Or a girlfriend's nails or something, that also works. Let's look at silver here and gold for a second. guessing. Or girlfriend's nails or something. That also works. Let's look at silver here. For a second. 138. Yeah, now what do you think about this trip, eh? The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1 expanded leading diagonal ABC. And now, well, we should be going. We'll see if it pans out, right? We'll see if we get the price action. Yeah, now what do you think about this? 180 will be the top. That's on YouTube. From Apollo. It's going up. I agree it's going up, yeah. I do agree there, Apollo. I'll try to check the YouTube chat as much as possible. We'll see if it pans out. Oh, well, it has like an orange shine to it. What? 180 will be the top. My beard turns orange when it gets too long. Oh, you must have some Scottish in ya, bye. It's going up. I agree it's going up, yeah. I'm hoping this just goes. It would be helpful right now. I have big plans for crypto when it goes, but fuck me, man. It's just like, it's like the uncle that never dies with the big inheritance or something. It takes forever. I'm hoping this just goes. You know, it's just like, oh my god, it's like, well, what, waiting for paint to dry. Big plans for crypto when it goes, but fuck me, man. It's just like, that's like, why? It's like the uncle that never dies with the big inheritance or something. It takes forever. 1-2 for BTC, even though it's not an impulse. Yeah, there is no evidence of impulse right now. Except a lot of times though, let's just see on the daily. Yeah, so a lot of times when runs get going, you'll notice like a little like supply grab. Kind of like this. But where it was really evident was here. There was one here, like, you know, even this one. There is no evidence of impulse right now. Oh, I remember that day. A lot of times, though, let's just see on the daily. Yeah, so a lot of times when runs get going, you'll notice like a little very nice daily candle so far. But where it was really evident was here. Yeah, this is looking decent though. Like we need to get above this, the daily 50. But if we can get above this, then we'll probably clear the 116. I mean, it makes sense why we came up here and got rejected. I mean, let's take a look. Rejection here, and in this area. Here. It's a pivot point, right? So it's to be expected. But now what we want is for this. We get above this pivot, that'll be like getting above this. Like this part right here. That'll be like getting above that. No, hopefully it's not like one of those that goes like this and then we have to go down again. Where it goes. It's just like, oh my god, it would decimate the alts. The alts would go back and test their wicks. It would be terrible. It would be hell on earth. It would be hell in crypto, I tell you. Guys, it would be terrible. The alts would go back and test their wick. I would think the wick testing is over. I mean, we've been going sideways for a while without a real downfall. But it all depends on this sumbitch right here, right? So if we could get it where it's like, alright man, you're good, but it's just always like, it's just always a grind with this bastard this cycle, man. Like there's no like, oh, there's no release, it's just a grind. It's just like you're fucking jerking off the whole time and never getting off for like 5 fucking years. Imagine that would be hell. So that's what this is like. But it's just always like, it's always a grind with this. So annoying. This cycle, man. Like there's no like, oh,
There's no release.
It is a great analogy because that's what it feels like.
Jerking off the whole time.
Testing out different camera angles. I might change the camera angle to over here instead because I seem to look over this way more. But, so it gives you a different view. Yeah, no, it's on another one there. I turned it off and then turned back on itself. I don't know why it does that. But we heard it too. I could hear it. I hear my fake ass on there. It's like... I trip. But I am thinking that's what this is, though. It's almost like this was like A, and then this is some sort of B wave, like A, B, C, and then finally the C wave or WXY or some bullshit. Something. This just seems very bottomy the way it worked out. Like swept and then sweep again and then gain a level. Like that seems like bottom price action to me. Sweep, gain a level, test the level, hold the level. That's precisely what we're doing. Now do we have to go down and test down further? Do we have to go test the nipple here or what? Like... You never know with Bitcoin because there's just so much bullshit in it. So much leverage. It's crazy. But let's review. The leverage is gone. Or was gone. Lots of liquidity above still. Tested the weekly 50 MA. As we do every time everyone gets scared. This was the tariffs in April. Right here, when everyone was selling again, that's when this is when the herd gets scared. The herd's scared again, so it's probably not a good idea to sell, but to do the opposite is start buying. It's hard to do, but it definitely increases your odds because like at tops like this, like you just hear denial on the way down. Oh no, it's coming back. This here, it was just outright fear. Anyways, hit the 50 here. We're under the 3-day moving average, which every time we have been has been a buying opportunity. So until that changes, we're just going to have to look at this as a buy opportunity. That's all I could really say on that. I mean, what else could it be? Like, we're not impulsive going down, we have overlap now. Like, the price action's overlappy. So when we're overlappy, that's corrective price action. That's not impulse. Unless we're doing some kind of bear subdivide. Right now, it's almost a shoulder, head, shoulder. When you look at it, you get past the neckline here. You get past this neckline and the channeling. Well, yeah, we'll hit the all-time high pretty quick after that, I think. Next stop would be the 120. Worked out a top many top calling, yeah. Yeah, it just seems like a bunch of, I don't know, manufactured fear. Like everyone starts getting back into crypto and then they get scared. Like even the AASI indicator, the active address sentiment indicator, went off, and that's only went off for the Trump bump and the tariffs last April. That was the only time it's ever went off, and it's just went off recently. So that tells me that, yes, we will be going up in price. It's a very accurate indicator. It doesn't like nail the top exactly, but it definitely nails like the area. Like it's pretty accurate. It's a good short-term sentiment indicator, but it seems to work really well, like from my experience with it anyways. Oh, Bitcoin. You silly little slut bag. You know, because that's what it is. That's what it is, guys. I don't care. That's what it is. Yeah, for you guys on YouTube there, we're over on the Twitch channel doing that. I'll keep checking YouTube, but there's no guarantee I'll see the chat. Wow, just jeez, what the hell happened to H bar here? Just having a little shit, eh? Hopefully it's a higher low. Checking the nipple twice, is it? 1, 2 for the higher low. It's looking that way. Hopefully. Because if Bitcoin, let's say, goes down to that, like we're going to test down here again on H bar. So we really need to gain this level like within the next like day or two, or today would be optimal. What are we at? Halfway through, so it's lunch hour. Usually lunch hour sucks, but it's going to be full on New York after. And we know what New York likes to do. New York likes to sell your longs. New York, New York, we like to short. New York, New York, grab your liquidity. New York, New York, fuck your longs. New York, New York, New York, New York. It's like, yeah, Sheldon, don't quit your day job. Oops, already did. For now, anyways. Got a couple things in the works. Just got to kind of figure out another. Have some more clarity after tomorrow, I think, and then moving forward. I like how it's not like going up in a straight line like this. Yeah, anytime this happens, just sell it. First red fucking candle you get, just sell. Like this is a perfect round trip. Like there must have been a news event this day. There had to have been. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the new camera angle or no? If I put it this way it looks like I'm looking at the charts. right to left and the camera angle. Since we got this NVIDIA little broadcaster. So lefty. You're so funny. So funny I forgot to laugh. Bitch. Oh, Bitcoin. You haunt my fucking soul and my dreams. Wish you were never invented by DARPA. Yeah, Bitcoin stresses me out, man. I just want it to go and be done with this fucking market for a while. Will it give it to us this time? Likelihood, I think yes, but it sure in the hell doesn't seem like it. I feel like if I just get negative, it'll do the opposite, guys. So what I'm doing is reverse psychologizing Bitcoin. I don't know if it'll work. It is some kind of little sick fucking thing in my head that it's like, oh, superstition will always win the day. You know what I mean? Oh, that's so cool. It doesn't even show the bag. Stealth. Stealth. This looks like I pretend. That's so funny. I like that NVIDIA camera broadcaster or whatever. Makes everything easy. I do not like this lower high scenario Bitcoin. Quit making me nervous. Quit it. Quit it, Bitcoin. Just quit it. Well, we'll just watch it until we can't anymore. Lunchtime almost over. No. Well, hopefully those people will fucking sign the lease and send me fucking that money tomorrow. Then one of my units went up like $480. No. Yeah, $480 a month. It's like, yes. Buying little shit apartment buildings in a shit little town, hoping that the mine opens and the Ring of Fire goes, and both are. I figured the fourth turning was when it would happen. Yeah, it's the fourth turning. But later on in the fourth turning, just like it did last time. Cycle analysis is so much fun. If you're actually tracking the right cycle though. Like if you believe in that halving cycle nonsense still, I don't know. That's why this time's so different, because it's not actually tracking halving, it's tracking liquidity or the business cycle more or less. That's why it's so complicated this time. That's why it's throwing everybody off, including myself. But we're delusional, so we're going to stay delusional for a little while longer. I mean, it's not going to hurt us at this point. The 4 hour looks pretty nice. We're also above the 50 MA on the 4 hour too. So we have to go down and test it again. We already had a test on it. It's looking like. So from right to left. Maybe. I didn't realize there was Ninja Gaiden 4 already. Yeah, we need a new high here. And to get back up to his levels. We conquer 116.3. It'll be off to the races shortly after that. Until then, it's going to be bottom grind, it looks like. Might have to come back down again. Kind of what it's looking like. See, hopefully it's just some sideways action. Without being too much of an asshole. Gargoyles gargling oil, eh? Goddamn you, Bitcoin. We just wanted some liquidity in our pockets, too. Well, maybe the only way to make money in this market is to meme coiners. In and out and fuck off, right? But I don't know. That shit seems way too incel for me, man. Oh, what's going on there, Head Johns? Oh yeah, we good, we good. Just curious as to what Bitcoin is doing, because we really needed to make a new high here today, in my opinion, or else we're going back down to test the lows. It's really annoying though. Done with work for the week, right on. It's only Thursday. What do you do? Work for Hydro One? It's like, no, I work for the city. Well, wherever it is there, you must be in the UK or something. Shares that'd be about it's $2 grand. Probably trade a little Wolfie in for that. That'd be a fucking trade, eh? Take the gains from Little Wolfie, put him into this one. Trip, what do you think about this? Expand it. Expand it leading diagonal. Yeah, all this just seems like little nonsense. Oh, Sweden, eh? Yeah. Must have one of those hot Swedish wives. I'd have 11 kids too if I had one of those. Fuck. Fuck rubbers. Oh yeah? Jeez. That sounds pretty chillaxed. I used to date a Swedish girl. She was fucking hot. Are all the Swedish women hot there? There must be some ugly ones. There has to be. Like, you go to Sweden, it's like the Aryan dream over there. Like, you already know Hijans is blonde hair, blue eye man. You already know this. That's just bugging. Just like the whole culture is just that, eh? But probably not so much now with all the immigration, but oh, they're gonna start stuffing Thunder Bay even more and more fucking immigrants now. Oh, it's part of this rural immigration. Oh, okay, so I mean, the people that are bringing the machetes into town now, you didn't see that till the black guys start coming here. Now, some of them are alright, but then, you know, then there's some of them. You know, fuckers from the hood or something, man. I don't know, but they come here and they threaten people with machetes. It's fucking insane. It's like, holy man. So, what's a better idea? Let's bring more. Let's bring more people here who can't even really work. You just bring them here to live off the taxpayers. That sounds like a lovely idea. It's like, who voted for this shit? See? Called it. Fucking knew it, Hijans. Because you're a Swedish native. That's why. Name like that, 100%. Even if that isn't your real name. Yeah, I think I might try to camera angle over here tomorrow, or maybe not tomorrow. I gotta fly tomorrow. I'm gonna be gone for a week there, boys, so you won't see me there for a week. Yeah, I won't have time to stream tomorrow. My flight's at like 3, so I'd only be able to. I gotta go brekkie with Darren too, and gotta crank off one more gym. Jesus Christ, H-bar. Gonna fight for the higher low or what there, bud? You gonna fight for it? Oh, Bitcoin isn't failing yet. We'll see what happens when the traders are done lunch. No ice cream feast. Oh yeah? That sounds pretty decent. Take a few phone calls, get paid. I need to run a business. I'm done fucking taking orders from people, man. Like, just my mentality's all different about it now. I'm like, yeah, fuck it. Like, yeah. It shouldn't have worked, so just keep going that way. Because that's where, you know, you want to get rich, you gotta own a business. Like, investing's fine, but investing is a skill you want to have when you have a business as well. You want those two skills. You run a successful business or you buy a successful business would be the best way. But yeah, no, didn't do any ice cream today. We ran out. We ran out. But yeah, I don't like having too much junk food in the house, man. I just polish that shit off. So it's not good there when you're wanting to do like the fast from like, I don't know, 7 o'clock till after gym in the morning. So it ends up being like, I don't know, between 10 and 11. I have to say though, I do like doing higher reps. Not like ridiculously higher reps, but like failing in between like 7 to 9 on a bigger muscle group, and then the smaller ones probably like, I don't know, 8 to 12 in there depending on which one. Oh, please go. Oh Bitcoin, I'll suck your dick. I'll fucking suck Bitcoin's dick just to go right now. Oh god. Oh man. Yeah, we're back in the underwear bombing too, Chili Lime. We did one yesterday. We find one with emotes in it. It's very difficult to find, but anyone that has like a streamer that has those emotes, that way we could shitty up their stream, right, with some underwear, some panties and shit. Oh no, Bitcoin. I was just joking. I know you don't have a dick. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking though, is that right now is a buy opportunity under the 53 day, but bouncing off the weekly pretty much, unless we actually have to go down and go through it a bit like this one. Hopefully that's not the case. Only time will tell. So maybe the wave 2 is done. A, B, and there's definitely enough waves in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, even an extension in here. and then the way we come back and overlap, right? If this was impulsive, or if this is this could turn into a wave too, I guess, because we do have 5, so this could be like A, some sort of B wave, and then we go up for C and then get knocked the fuck down. That's a possibility as well. That probably happened in the 120 region though. Go grab the liquidity first, go right up into here and then get whacked. Ugh. Oh, this goddamn market. Oh. Fucking believe it. Are we pumping yet? We need to get past this line and hold it. That's what we need to do. These are the requirements of today. Or else we risk going to the abyss. Or 11 days. How long was this one? 66 days. It would make sense. It would be like half the time of this one. Then if we go and can make a new high, that would definitely confirm this is a subdivided wave, and we got a lot more to go. Yeah, if we crack another all-time high, we should go. It should go this time. That's if we could get there, though. We need to get past this green line here first. Preferably today, or else we risk coming down here or retesting the lows here. Oh, H-bar seemed to find a higher low here. Excelente! So it's good for a trade too, eh? Oh, please go. Please go. Oh. Nothing would appease me greater than Bitcoin going above the 110,400. It's sending. Oh, could you help it, Twitchful? Can you push it over the edge? Preferably over this pink line and hold, and even, you know, maybe we'll even mark this one off right here too. We'll put it as the pink line part of that. Yeah. That is the area. We'll call it getting through the pink. Oh my god, this fucking thing always resets. Oh yes. Well, excuse yourself, sir. Imagine. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. So used to my camera being in front of me. I put the mic there now. I might change it around. I don't know if I like the camera all the way over here. I think I might put it over here instead. All right. All right, this is good news. Now we need to hold this area. We need to hold here. We need to hold the 109. Yeah, we need to hold 109. Let's see if we could gain. See if we can gain the 112, 111 area. Oh, you know it's gonna be fucking funny. He's gonna fucking wake up. He's gonna wake up. And he's not gonna be in position and the market moves up, let's say. Okay, let's say there's a big boom today. This is just speaking theoretical. I'm not saying this is gonna happen. It'd be really funny though. And then he wakes up and he's like, oh my god. And then he'll long the top and then we'll retrace back down. Oh, that'd be so funny. Oh. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to go over this, the 116. We do that, it'll be good. There will be some type of retracement though, unless we just go right through it. If that happens. Yeah, now we have to start looking a bit beyond here, assuming that this holds though. So like, how many more minutes do we got here? Okay, so 15. The traders aren't even back from lunch yet. Looks like some of them come back from lunch early. Yeah. Yeah, 20k bonus. Eat shit and die. You did not get... They're not giving out bonuses, guys. They're not giving out bonuses from the exchange, so he's lying. Okay, everyone thinks it's legit. It's not. I'll tell you that right now. No. Go ask the exchange yourself. Go into the support question and go ask them yourself. You're a big Twitch streamer, blah, blah, blah. What kind of programs and bonuses like CK get? They're like, oh, we don't have offers like that. So what he's doing is either paper money trading or someone's giving him money or he has a stash somewhere of fucking shit. Cash or something. So only two ways. Yeah, but he never updated his thing from 256. Apparently he's out of all this money, but he keeps coming back on a different exchange, and he always keeps saying that it's like, oh, it's a bonus, it's a bonus. They don't give you bonuses, man, for being a streamer. Like, I know you think you're like fucking king shit there, CK, but like, here's the thing. You're not, and they're not gonna pay you $30,000 fucking dollars just so you can trade. Give me a break. Like, that doesn't even make any sense. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. He's doing paper money, man. He's doing paper money shit, most likely. Like, it's just gone far too long, and there's too many things that aren't adding up that I've been noticing, and it's just like, no, man. He's horse shit. It's just all about the eyes for that guy. That's why he doesn't care if he loses fucking 30k. He takes a break, and it's just like a story. He's making like a story of this. The guy that's always losing, the guy that's always fucking, you know, but oh no, here's the balance of my fucking fake account where I somehow keep getting money in. Remember at first when he went broke? Oh, and then Crypto Kang came out of fucking nowhere. Where's that guy been? Knows he hasn't been around? Yeah, it's probably CK under another account. Well, he's short right now. So, I mean, look, he just woke up. He's already shorting. Or are these lead trades? Oh, so they're activated. He's been losing on these lead trades. I wouldn't do lead trading. Following some other fucking trader. Yeah, no thanks. Unless you have like 150% success rate, man. Like, if they're so good, how come the fucking CK's... I don't know, I think he's down now, isn't he? He was winning there for a bit, it looked like. Look at that, you cocksucker, eh? See, they come back from lunch and they just decided to short it. Look at that. Oh, at least we got the high, but see, we didn't keep it, so now this tells me this is like, is this B-wave shit? Like, what is this? Because another way to look at it is 1, 2. I'm just coming up with scenarios, that's all. Because we're always trying to find the proper context, because really we don't know, so we have to see how many alternative counts there are that seem pretty valid based on all the other things that we're observing, like the being under the 3-day MA, hitting off the weekly like we do. We may have to hit off of it a couple more times. Like, this correcting may go on for a little while longer. But yeah, but now he's using lead trades, right? So we'll see how that lasts. Yeah, but is he, or if it's all fake money, then who cares, right? It's just a show. Now he's using the lead traders, which one could argue that, yeah, that has to be real money. You're not going to fake money the lead traders, but can you do it? That's the thing. Because they would let you test that, wouldn't they?
This exact test without prejudice under the jurisprudence of the soul, the
I don't
mind,
really know.
the body, the positive, the negative, the ground, the proton, the neutron, the electron, the yin, the yang, the young, the sun, the moon, the star. This station, in conjunction with other airwave announcements, will conduct this exact test.
Whew.
without prejudice
Well, hopefully we gain a bid here.
Of the soul, the mind, the body.
See, this is the scenario I was worried about right here.
The
We
negative,
go up, we get the level, but then we fail.
the proton, the neutron, the electron,
I always hate that situation. It's like the worst.
the yang, the young,
Because it always turns into like a cheek clencher, you know?
the
It
star,
was like clinching.
the man, the woman,
The
the
clinch.
child, the plaintiff, the defendant, the judgment, the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, the past, the present, the future.
Yeah, it only seems like BNBs and Bitcoin is how to run. Remember when people were calling for $600 Ethereum like a little while back? See a pivot point here, eh? It's like a baby duck taking a drink, eh? BTC going good for me? Not really. I need a good alt pump. That's what I need. And I'd be gone into the night. Right, Rocky? Oh, for fuck's sakes. Yeah, lunchtime's over. New York, New York, we'll short your lungs. New York, New York, we'll eat your liquidity. New York, New York. It's always the same shit. It doesn't fucking matter. It's just a different day. Same shit, different day. So there's one position already. Yeah, go Rocky. I could uncrawl out of my ass. Well, that'd be interesting if you recovered and made a new high. Going long in Ethereum now. So these are the lead trades he signed up for, eh? So you can't really go by this anymore. It's go by some other trader. Yeah, he's copy trading right now. That's what lead orders are. Not his orders. He's probably better off to do lead trading. Give somebody else the reins, because we know what he's capable of. But then you have to kind of like, it's kind of like, okay, well now you can't really fix anything except try to switch to trader. That's about it though. Well, we'll see how this goes. You guys like that foodie ASMR? Oh my god. Guys. Oh my god. We almost forgot. Actually, we did forget. 100% forgot. Okay. Dear baby Jesus of El Salvador, and soon to be El Baby Jesus of Americano. To this day, we wish for our daily pump and not to be liquidated by the New York City slickers with their liquidation events and bullshit that makes everybody scared and jump off buildings and shit. We don't like those people, baby Jesus. If you can, we pray for a pump up to 180 to 200K, preferably more. If you can. Hope that's not asking too much, baby Jesus from El Salvador. And in return, we will have Mass every Thursday at 1 or 1:15, depending on when we think about it. Until next time, baby Jesus, please give us your pump power. Amen. Alright, guys. That was it. We're done. Everybody go home. Oh, it's party in the church. Oh, I'm betting for it to go up. I'm betting for alts to go up especially. I've been so depressed. Everyone's saying there's not going to be an alt season. I like it when people say that. Holy cow, now he's short? Holy cow, did he pick Pencil Neck the Trader? You know he probably picked Saddle. Imagine. Like he was long not even 2 seconds ago. Oh my god. That's too funny. Yeah, do lead trading. Yeah. Well, like Link, LTC, STX, Theta. H bar. Those kind of alts. Maybe some vets. Throw that in there. Oh, that's right, Rocky. You like the cabbage salad, eh? Oh, he is there. Almost feel like one of those like but like really though, that is pretty funny. Like the guy was long. He switched from a short to a long, which is the proper play. Now he went to short. And now he's refusing to get out of this short. He even got CK out of bed. That too, and then we had, you know, another thing too. Whoa. Why is my thing all fucked? That was weird. Is that we seen blood in the streets. That was the other thing that we seen. You know what I mean? When that guy that had a whole bunch of positions out and everybody else's money, and he just took his own life. We'll see if there's any articles on this. Nine 11. The shotgun wound was in the back of the head. Trader built substantial following his social media with over 68. Before his death and had posted farewell message to loved ones. Oh, hey, fuck. So this is blood on the streets, guys. That's another thing, just showing you where we are in the fear cycle. When we have people taking their lives, that's where the saying, when there's blood on the street, it's time to buy. Coinpredictions.com. The base. Yeah, look at that. Big range though. Oh, fuck around with this site. Why not? Trump tariff shock. I mean, this is just panning up to be a bottom to me, guys. Everybody else could be afraid and all that. We're gonna stand strong and chin up, boys. That's what I do. Sometimes you just gotta have conviction. Be like, yeah, it happened. What are you gonna do? Sell into it? Like, that would be the dumbest thing to do. Sometimes the wisest thing to do is do nothing. Oh, he had investors though. He fucked everybody else up too. Yeah, he had like 30 million or something. Other people's money. So yeah. $1.6 million people. Holy fuck. Holy Christ, I'm not reading all that. Holy fuck, man. Learn how to write a paragraph. The altcoin casino crashed last week? It kind of is. Fuck, I'm cynical, eh? I laugh at that. Well, that's the kind of shit you want to see, though. At the bottom of markets, right there. Holy cow, Rocky, you love this salad, eh? There you go. I mean, it is good salad, though. The crash that broke them, the silent mental health crisis. So that's what happens when the markets crash, guys. That's what happens to your soul. That's what happens. The silent mental health crisis because this happens. In his Lamborghini in Kiev. And his name was found next to him. Oh yeah, probably killed himself. Or someone stole his gun, killed him, and then put it in his hand after. That's how I would do it. I would use his own gun to kill him. Like, really, if you're an investigator, you're gonna look and be like, oh, it's his gun. Wow. People will kill themselves because of debt. Wow. Either way, blood on the streets. How long have I done like this? Like charting? Oh, fuck. I think I began charting in 2012, 2013. Practicing waves, so we're a decade into this. We've learned a lot of lessons. But we've learned a lot about price action over the years. And different things. The latest thing that we learned about was liquidity cycle, which we were unfamiliar with before, but now we understand it. So it just helps. I like going with cycles. Like, that's how my whole real estate portfolio. This little shit town. Supposed to be a mine coming, you know. Never seems to happen, then one day it does. I was buying the buildings there. Like 80 grand for a 4-plex. Bought 2 of them like that. And the 3-plex was 55. Started that whole shit with 8 grand. Turned that into hundreds of thousands of dollars, like with cash flow and just refis, and yeah, it's crazy what you can do with enough time, eh? The right investment. Now the Ring of Fire, they're making a mad scramble for that, so I'm like, oh, the old man selling the family business, wink wink, nudge nudge there. It's a business I know very well. So I'm a millionaire now? Not quite. Definitely on my way, but I mean, whatever. It's in a depreciating fucking asset anyways. It's in government currency. It's not even real wealth, in my opinion. It's just, you have this temporary purchasing power in this certificate for this amount of time. But it seems to be going down in value every day, so. Oh, I never got BTC when it was low. I got Ethereum when it was low, though. Like $11. Yeah, BTC, we're going to go into heavy next time around. Next bear market. Not right now. Well, this would be something if we could actually penetrate, go to 111 now. Go penetrate the pink. Hey. Yeah, so the fact that the crypto traders are offing themselves a little bit also puts more of the premise that we are at the lows Because, well, when there's blood in the streets, guys. I don't know what else more to tell you, except that is been a saying for very good reason for a very long time. Y'all know what I mean? Come on, fucking Bitcoin, let's go. Make a new magnet for you. Now go. Go, Philip. And H-bar did make a higher low. This is Trips coin pick. For a nice little spot trade here at this level. I do suspect that we're going to come back up and go into these levels again. Oh, come on, Bitcoin. Yes. Yes. Give it to me. Give it to me, Bitcoin. Yes. There we go. Sells off again. Fuck. Let's never win with this motherfucker, man. Never win with you, Bitcoin. Yes. Yeah, you don't have to peel the fuck out of there. Take your time. We know how you don't like to peel out and without coming back and ruining our life. Huh, it's printing in November or something, eh? Interesting. Whatever.
Gargoyles goggling on peak of the empire, top of the rock. Flags flapping in Manhattan. New dope, New York. Gargoyles goggling on peak of the empire, top of the rock. My girl's got a little stick. Keep you cool in the kitchen while you feed the kid. Keep you waiting in the window while the Texas ticks.
Oh, there's no winning for this motherfucker, man. Can't even fucking get the lead orders in there. The fucking lead order guy literally flips. Like, it was... Okay, he was long, and then he flipped a short just before we fucking started going here. Imagine the real bear market. Oh, no doubt, man. Oh, don't worry. There'll be more than just one crypto streamer. Yeah, like as if he just took his own fucking life. Does he owe too many people money, I guess? Hit home run.
My girl got city to run, got the key to the kingdom where the money's from. Never seen color yellow, never seen the sun. My girl got a minimum, keep stuck right there till the number comes. Leave it smooth operator looking like a bum.
Oh yeah, this is gonna give the trader some hope that it's coming back down.
Never seen color yellow, never seen the sun.
-1. If we can get up and past this area, I'll share something with you guys. Until then, no. We don't want to jinx it. Even though it could be a 1-2 and then buckle your shoe. Alright, this is favorable price action right now, obviously. But like this is good to see today. Now whether it dies from here, I don't know, but it's looking good to not do that. The W move. Yeah, I guess so. I suppose. W for wiener. You are the wiener. Good for you. Didn't mean it in that way. But a long and wide open, nice. Yeah, it's looking good. I mean, this is what we want to see. We need to get above here because I think this is a petit peu head and shoulder pattern, eh? Shoulder avec head. Avec shoulder. Let's sweat. Bitcoin 120k. Tut sweat. Tut sweat. Yeah, you were praying to baby Jesus last night, were you? That's good. May your prayers be with him. You missed mass today, Maddie. You missed mass at 1. We had that. We did our prayer to baby Jesus, and I think he heard our prayers. No, imagine. Oh, fuck. That's how people become religious, huh? And when they do a little prayer, and then something happen, and then they're like, oh, thank you, baby Jesus. Dude, real talk. I know. I was telling Bitcoin I was going to suck its dick, man. That's what, like I was bargaining with him pretty hard. I was like, I'll suck your dick, Bitcoin. Just go. Oh, it's just so ridiculous. Isn't it ridiculous? Oh, yeah. You could just see the despair. That's right, eh? It's like, oh, Bitcoin, but I said I'd suck your dick. Oh my god. Such a retard. And H-bar held the higher low. Interesting. That it looks like it just wants to go, and a little cerebral here or whatever the hell. Cerebral. Sheldon, it's called seller. You fucking goof. That's all too. Alright. Keep going. Bitcoin. Keep going. Bitcoin. Oh. It's so nice to actually pray for baby Jesus with El Salvador, and then he does it. Yeah. That's right. If the toes ain't curled, you ain't doing it right. If he ain't shaking, he ain't baking. I feel like another coffee. A coffee for me. Another coffee for my veins. Coffee for me. Uh-oh. Was our celebration dumbfounded? Is that it, Bitcoin? Did you debate us once again? Did you milk our scrotum for a little squirt and then that's it? Some bitch. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go get some lube because I feel Bitcoin's gonna fucking stick it right up my ass pretty soon. Oh, damn! Ho ho! Let's go! Let's go ahead, Jabs! Let's go! Oh, you gotta love it when the waves work out. Oh. 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 So what the fuck was that, Sheldon? Oh. Yeah, keep praying. I'll keep praying, baby Jesus. Don't you worry about that. Mass every Thursday at 1. Well, guys, I mean, there's no accidents here, okay? Right here, we forgot Mass. So, let me walk you through what happened today. We forgot 1 o'clock Mass until 1:15. And we did it. 1:15, which is here. I mean, the proof's in the pudding, boys! Oh, come on, that's funny. Oh, man. It worked, that's right. It even compensated for the 15 minutes that we said we were going to have Mass at 1, and I was like, oh my god, it was like 1:13. And I was like, oh, jeez. And then we did it, and then this is the 1:15 to 1:30 candle. I don't know, maybe I'm finding that a little too funny, but I think it's hilarious. Alright. Little cellar there. Little Theta. Oh man, Theta could break out of here. Fuck me. An H bar. Oh geez, you get up to here, you break out of this 18-cent region. Oh boys. Then we have some fucking trades to show you when that happens. Till then, we're just gonna keep them under wraps. Until I get back. That's if they last, right? Because if we go up in the here, I probably, and depending on what they're saying too, like I wouldn't, yeah, if we get up into this zone, I'm definitely not, we're just gonna keep them. Yeah. I'm not the prophet, it was baby Jesus. I'm telling you, man, we did the prayer, we forgot at 1 o'clock, and then, see, this is 1 o'clock. See, we didn't even do it, and it was like, oh, see if Sheldon does the prayer. Oh, no, he didn't. And then I remembered about the prayer. I remembered baby Jesus. And then the next candle, the 1:15, the prayer candle. Literally the prayer candle, boys. Next stop, 200K. Just joking. You had to be here for Mass to understand, guys. Oh, baby Jesus sees no sins. He only sees liquidity. Yeah, 250 actually, Sheldon. Let's go for that. That sounds way better. Way better. New York, New York, we'll sell your shorts. New York, New York, fuck your liquidity. New York, New York, white shoe boys. New York, New York. Gonna take more dick sucking, you think so? All I had to do was pray to baby Jesus and tell Bitcoin I was gonna suck his dick. We'll just be like a female, we'll say we're gonna do it, but we won't actually do it. Suck your dick. Bitcoin. Well, maybe, maybe not. You didn't really do this for me, Bitcoin, so I'm not gonna do that for you. My neck hurts, Bitcoin. Got a kink right here. Oh, that's so cool. I like how it doesn't show my vape bag. Yeah, we don't want to hold ourselves accountable at all. That would be taking responsibility. This is the new age where nobody takes accountability for anything. Like, you believe some of this shit nowadays? But really, though, with that crypto trader killing himself, that is a blood in the streets signal. The active address sentiment indicator, which tracks Bitcoin addresses, that went off to buy signal. It triggered twice. Last time it triggered was the other set of tariffs in March, April, and basically before the Trump bump. Going on with everything else, yeah. Well, would you look at the S&P? Well, would you look at that? Yep, when everybody was scared. Not us, though. Not me, anyways. There's some people in chat. They were the bottom callers when they were saying, "Oh no, Sheldon, we're going down to 90K." I was like, yeah, right. Yeah, right. Possibility, but no. I mean, it's becoming less and less of a probability now. Once you get above here, oh yeah. You just keep going, Bitcoin. Don't worry. When you get to the finish line, there'll be a big blowy for you. Yeah, shout out to Jim Casey and Manvik for calling bottoms. Telling us to sell and it's going lower. Called it to their face both times, Javen? And even yesterday, I even said it yesterday, I was getting pissed off. I feel like selling everything, and I know when I get like this, we are definitely close to a bottom. Fuck. I knew it too. See? That's what being in markets forever creates. You just know. It's like, but you gotta understand markets. So if you haven't read The Social Economic Theory of Finance, I highly recommend you do. It'll change how you look at markets. You'll stop listening to news, and you'll just realize that that's just a reaction play. That's all it is. It's not trend. It's just reaction. It's like shit like this. That's why I'm like, was there news this day? Like, what would? It's just never good to trade on news. Like for example, you know when Trump said he was going to make the Bitcoin treasury? You guys remember that? You know what day that was? That was this day. That was this day right here. Jim Casey appeared right here, and we said, yeah, we pretty much bottom, maybe one more because we were tracking a possible ending diagonal, which indeed, and it tested the head and shoulder. Which I would like to remind everyone, that head and shoulder that we tested, if you're to flip that upside down, we need to go to a lot further than where we have. I'd have to measure to see. You'd have to measure and flip this basically from here, and to flip this around going up at minimum. So let's call it 60K. So I'd be 135, eh? That's at minimum. We'll see what happens, though. Yeah, they don't call it the day of, though. They always call it, like, well, they were, like, Manvik was in, fuck, it was in, like, this day here, right? Like, that's when he was in the chat. I was like, you know what, you remind me of Jim Casey. Same kind of thing, like, didn't you hear the news? The tariffs, China, all this new shit. I'm like, yeah, man, that's. And then I showed him. I was like, dude, just fucking take a chill fucking pill for a second. Okay, take a chill pill. Let's look at this. Let's look at this right here. This is all you really need to understand. This line here. This solid line. That's the eventual manifestations of social mood. Economic performance, so CPI, all that, social harmony, conflict, wars, and then political action. And then it says over here, lagging social meters or news. So by the time Bitcoin becomes like a staple in the treasury, that'll be very late in the cycle, and possibly a top would have already been in. You know, if they're to like announce like a treasury bond or some kind of crap like that, that's what I would expect. I would expect the top would be basically in and to sell everything at that point. Because everybody would be going in, oh man, they're just gonna make so much money. Everybody's gonna putting their money into there. The government that's where they're gonna be putting their money. But then the price goes down, and then the logic is destroyed, right? Much the same as with like the pot boom. So like here in Canada, there was like a marijuana boom, and then the day it was legalized, that was the top of the pot bubble. Believe it or not. Yeah, as soon as it was legalized, the stocks topped. You can't write this shit, you know. But that's the thing. That's what happens, right? That's political action. What makes sense logically doesn't actually pertain to the markets. Logic does not pertain to markets. What pertains to markets is basically volume. We all know that, but it's price action. That's what it is. And all this shit here, this and people's reactions to it will help you gauge where you are in the market, because nobody knows exactly where we are, but when we use our ways, we have an idea of where we are. And with the social mood and everything, just like when you're at all-time highs and everybody's scared, well, this is good because the bull rides a wall of worry. So once again, for like the 10th fucking time in this bull market, it's like, okay, we shouldn't be going any lower. The bottom looks to be in. It'll be 100% in if we break the 114, in my opinion. And then we shouldn't go any lower. We've tested the lows. This is held perfect. 100K is held. Even our orange line is held so far. Daily candle looking excellent. 4-hour price action also excellent. Even the 1 hour, nice little moving average test before liftoff. Bullish crossover on the RSI stock. We may have to take a rest and come back down. Test levels. But the alts, we need to be gaining some like new highs here. Asshole H bar, like let's go. Enough coming down to the nipple here. You had to come down again, eh? Right to the pivot point right there, eh? Down to this one specifically. Yeah, where this one went down to this pivot point here. Interesting, very interesting. So oh my god, he's still short. The funny part is that okay, he was short, and then then the lead trader flipped the long, and then flipped the short again. Like, I wish you could see the size of the position. All you can see is the margin being used, but you don't know. Like, I guess, like, if you look here, okay, it looks like he has 1 Bitcoin in total. Oh, I guess that's the position size there, eh, in US dollars. Okay, I think I understand now.
This is only a test.
So he has, like, holy Christ, he has a lot of solo.
We repeat, this is only a test. We repeat, this is only a test. This is only a test. The station
Yeah, what a surprise. DK is losing.
will conduct this exact
I still don't believe this. So 20k bonus, like, a bonus for what? For what? Why? Because you're a streamer?
the positive, the negative,
Yeah, I'm sorry, guys.
proton, the neutron, the
That's not how it
the
works.
yin,
It's not how it
the
works.
yang,
You don't get
the
just
sun,
bonuses like
the
that.
moon, the star.
And it's not like he's special. It's not like he has this charismatic charm where he could just get everybody to sign up
Without prejudice.
on an exchange and benefit the exchange. Like, you know, oh yeah, but the exchange are going to give him 20k to trade with. Like, what kind of business model is that?
The ground, the proton, the neutron, the electron,
Yeah, but see, it's a lead trader though. He's using lead trades.
the sun,
Right here, and the lead trader fucked up. We watched it live. Switch from the short, okay, made money, and then switched to a long, and then closed it, went short again.
the defendant,
And now they can't get out.
the Father,
Can't
the
get out.
Son, the Holy Spirit, the past, the present, the future.
He's fucking trapped in that trade. That might lick him, you know. Now that we have the higher high here, so this is good price action. Now the next goal is to kind of just hold these levels right here. We want to hold the green. We want to hold 110. Preferably not go under like 109.7 maybe. 750, 109, 750. You don't want to go any lower than that, in my opinion. But I don't even want to go back down there. I want to just keep going up. Let's just go. Let's just get out of here. Let's go up into here. Go into the safe zone. Bitcoin. You know the promise at the end of your journey to 200 or 250. 250. Could be some juicy lips waiting for you, bud. Yeah. Oh God. Little does he know we're gonna put McLovin at the end. See if the balance sheet's going up yet. Stabilizing. They're definitely not tightening anymore. Yeah, Fed, how about you guys fucking... Yeah, because what they're doing is, see, they're selling bonds from the balance sheet, eh? That's what they're doing. Then they'll buy, and then they'll have to sell them once the balance sheet gets too big. Like, the Fed already has a $6 trillion. It's all counterfeit fucking money, though. That's all it is. The government is one of the biggest mafias known to man. It is the biggest mafia. That's why they don't like the mafia too much. There's competition. Capiche? Wowjes. hope this isn't like a lower high situation. You think CK is just sitting there in the dark? Oh no, he's on his phone there, down there. Sitting there, he's watching my stream. Hey CK, how's it going? I can smarten up. Imagine he actually was. So funny. Yeah, don't forget guys, we're gonna do a little bit of underwear bombing. If you guys could help find me a potential victim for underwear bombing today. That's where we take our underwear, and specifically the shitty pair, guys. I prefer if we use that. And it's a streamer that uses those emotes on the screen. We've noticed that there's been a big decline of people who have done that. Maybe we have something to do with that a while back. I don't know. People getting fucking shit bombed, raided. Be called Poopy Pant Raiders. Fill up the chat with soiled gitch and panties right there. So someone could actually go and do me a favor and find a streamer, preferably a girl. The reason is because usually the women are much more lively than the guys. We've had so many guys that was just like, oh hey, what's up? It was like, oh, well that was boring. The girls get really dramatic about it. The guys be like, oh, is that shitty underwear? We're looking for drama. We're looking for a reaction, right? That's why we do it. So if someone could help me out with that, that'd be awesome. Oh, CK coming back. You gonna get saved? You gonna get saved, CK? Is that what's gonna happen? You're gonna get saved. Fucker was jammed. Yeah, that's social action timing, guys. So, the news of the tariff threat? Non-existent, eh? That about them. Yeah, because tariffs are gonna affect fucking crypto, right? And the markets. Like, how are the tariffs gonna be bad for the US market? That's what I want to know. It's bringing tons of investment over. Like, isn't that what markets want? Like, beats the hell out of me, man. The market, she wobbly. She wobbly. She stand on a three leg, huh? The one-legged market, huh? What the hell is it gonna do? It's gonna do something. Toxic ass. Right on. Sometimes I have a toxic ass. As long as I cook at home, we're good. we don't get too much toxic acid. Yeah, I would think it would come and test this region here. We leave the 15-minute stock a bit. Ooh, hourly divergence on the stock. Oh no. Hopefully that doesn't mean anything. Hopefully it just keeps going and goes up into this overbought territory. Price action demands it. Oh, let's see if CK can survive this. Let's see if his lead trader will get out. Give him a little shot of hope and then reverse it. Is that what's gonna happen? Give him a little bit of a rub. Be like, yeah, we'll let you get out of it, and then grab him by the balls. That's what's gonna happen. I have a feeling. What do you guys think? Do you guys think he's gonna get out of it? 1, if you think he's gonna get out of it. 2, if you think he's fucked. He's fuckered. He's done. Tout sweat. Tout fini. Tout sweat. Tout sweat fini. Fini tout sweat. Yeah, it'd be fini tout sweat. Oh, it's just so funny to see the lead trader though flip it from the proper direction to the losing direction too. Yeah, I would also have to cast my vote as 2. It still could come down, but either him or the trader will. Look at this guy. Wow, CK balanced 30k last time I was here. Yeah, don't worry, he'll get another bonus. Like, there's no bonuses. It's all lies. Any streamer that says they got a bonus from the exchange is outright lying to you. Especially when it's a new exchange, so you know it's not affiliate money. You know that. Unless he's taking the affiliate money, and maybe, I mean, that could be possible. He might be earning lots of affiliate money. That'd be about the only way I could see him funding this. But as for like exchanges giving him a bonus, yeah, not outside the bonuses that they give everybody. No, he ain't getting no special bonus. I guarantee. I will fucking bet my life on that. I think that's a pretty good bet. In return, I get his soul. Imagine. Be like, CK, your soul is mine. Okay. Just Mortal Kombat that shit. Your soul is mine. What's up, brother? Oh man, if this goes and makes another high, I'm gonna laugh. Where's his estimated liquidity here? 123. It's probably lower than that because of the Sol too. Because when they both go up, so it's probably half of this. Probably get liquidated at 120. Like, look, it's only at 111, and he's $1,000 under. Do you really think that he's going to be able to do that? No. That's counting all of this, not counting any losses. Yeah, this is going to change 100%. If these both keep going up, you could expect like half or less. Yeah, it's going to reverse on him. Yeah. Yep. No, there's no bonus. They don't give you bonuses like that. Go and ask the exchange themselves, Hungry Cats. Everybody has this fucking notion. We went and asked the exchange, the L Bank, and we specifically referenced them. They said, no, there is nothing like that. So I don't know what everybody thinks, but they don't just hand money out like that. There's no bonus. There's no goddamn whatever the hell you think. It's not that. Tesla ready to go. Nvidia, kind of the same. And this is the time to buy this stock. Clean Spark. I'm like, this one I got such a good price, but I could rotate from this one into the other one, but maybe not. I'm gonna ride them out. We're gonna see how this all goes. CK might get lucky. Yeah, but that's not. They're not giving bonuses out like that. There's no way. You can't give bonuses to some fucking degenerate like that, 20k at a time. Give me a break. Doesn't even make any sense. How would your exchange even survive giving that money out like that? Like oh, but CK special? Give me a break. Makes no sense. Think about it. Makes no sense. He's lying. He's fucking lying. We caught him in a lie. Am I gonna force him to admit it? No. We'll see if he bans me. Just like Kimba, right? Care if he fucking bans me. Go ahead. Make my day. Because it's all horseshit. He's not getting bonuses from the exchanges. He's using play money. That'd be my best guess. Or some other worldly sources of money he's using. It's not exchange. It's not the exchange giving money out. Even if they were to do something like the casinos do there, where okay, we gave you $20,000 fucking dollars, but you have to do this much in volume or whatever. I mean, sure, it's possible, but they're not going to give you $20,000 to do that. I'll guarantee it. Unless CK is part of some secret society or some shit that we don't know about, where you get behind the curtain and then all of a sudden there's these bonuses. That'd be about the only way, but as far as I know, there's nothing like that. He might get survive. See, and that's that 1 hour, eh? See, a fucking 1 hour, man. Hopefully it's just coming down for a retest and isn't saying like, oh, Divergence, you die now. Hopefully it's nothing like that. This is not one I missed, the UCU. Definitely a nice pullback. 618, that's a very popular one. Well, maybe we have to do another mass. That's all I can think of, boys. I'll be like, all right, you want to prove those bonuses are legit? I want same bonus, CK. I want same bonus. Then I'll believe you. Till then, it's bullshit. Fucking bonus, 20k fucking bonus. Like, no. Have you talked to any exchanges? Just the one he's on. This is his new one. So we went to his new one. And we asked. And we referenced him. They said, no, there's nothing like that. We could go do it again if you guys want. I'll fucking show you. Show you right now. Let's go do Le Banque. Alright. Fuck out of here. Alright, little guy, pop up. Where was the... Okay, but where was the little... Ah. Hello, how may I help you? Hey, I was wondering if there are any bonuses, any trade funding bonuses for Twitch partner streamers. There is this one guy named Crypto King that said you guys gave him 20k bonus. Yeah. See what they come back with. Telling you, he's full of shit. This fucking asshole. CK Pay. Crypto Pegged King. Little Peggy. Dressed up as a lady boy there to finance his trades. Yeah, Samuel, hurry the fuck up. We'll even give him the link. There's the link. I could be related to this link, my friend. Affiliate program. There is no direct bonuses. Industry leading commissions, professional service, sub-partner commissions, transparent referral system. Yeah, so it's all affiliate and referral. This isn't, yeah, so you earn commission. Are you saying my hero is a liar? Hey, should I put that in? So he is basically BSing them. So this is a human. There are no direct bonuses. Like I said, guys, he's full of shit. Like, look, 20k bonus, 10k left. Withdrew 17.4 with fee kickback. Like, fuck out of here. This guy could have went. Oh my god. Fuck out of here. Well, from you better about this benefits. Yeah, right. You're green on the trade. Go, get out. Yes, my friend. It has its own benefits. Yeah, I know. Like, that's what I mean. Like, his acting's pretty good. There's something fishy going on with him. The exchanges aren't giving him money. I'll tell you that right now. They're not doing it. It's all affiliate stuff. So unless he's just flipping everybody on to new exchanges all the time, and maybe, but I doubt it. So I mean, he could be just acting, man. Like, that's what I'm starting to think. Because, you know, says he's all transparent and shit, but like, we seen that 256 that was there forever. And it was never updated for years, and he's lost a lot more than 256. Like, if we're keeping track of how many times he's went to zero, like, But then magically, tens of thousands of dollars just magically appear. But yet, he lives in like an attic apartment or something. No judging or anything, but it's just like, okay, but you have tens of thousands of dollars just to spend on trading. Like, something's not making sense here. You think he's an incel? I think he's an incel. And there he is. Hey, it's just the faint glow of CK here. 3:30 in the fucking morning. His lead trade went off. It's fucking up his sleep. Days till end of the year. Copy? The fuck? Copy trade him? Oh my god. Well, this trade's going good for him. Yeah, see, it's that hourly fucking divergence, man. See it? Hopefully it shrugs it off, but... Bitcoin, all the time. See? That's what I mean. You can never get your fucking hopes up with them. The hope is that it's just doing a retest right now, which would be actually very healthy for price action. But like I pointed out, that divergence here, I don't like that. It is not my favorite thing to see. Yeah, you'll see how the 4-hour closes and shit. Mister, get me out of here. Dang nabbit. Is that, or he's one of the best actors on Twitch? Bro, you're like up on this right now. Think he's gonna get round tripped on this one? We'll see. I don't think it's rich parents. go with faking it, man. It makes the most sense at this point that he's faking it. It really does. Like when you sit there and dot the I's and cross the T's, nothing else makes 100% sense except that. That he's fucking acting a little bit here. Like, I don't know what else to tell you, but like that's my suspicions right now. CK's fucking around. Whew. Well, that or he's one of fucking South Korea's best lady boys, man. Must get appointments for that shit. Oh, you not sucky me long time. Yeah, maybe that's what he does to pay for all this. Maybe he's a lady boy and he just can't admit it. Yeah, that's why he's up right now. He's sneaking out. He's got to go for a call for a pegging, and then he'll be back. And or maybe he has to do the pegging. Who knows? Peg or be pegged. That is the question. Ah. Oh dear. It's almost kid pickup time. Oh dear. Oh, John dear. Oh, CK, you gonna get round tripped or are you gonna make it? Oh. Oh, we might get round tripped. We'll see. Lordy, Lord. on CZ, true. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's a good look. Well, looks like it's true, man. Looks like he did. All right, though. I gotta get heading there, though, boys. Probably won't see you guys until Halloween or maybe Thursday evening of next week. We're gonna miss Mass next week. I'll be flying back that day. So yeah. But yeah, anyways. Maybe I'll stream tonight. We'll see. That's a big, huge maybe. I just like doing like a little stream during the day, and then that's it. Yeah, I guess we're not gonna underwear bomb anyone. I gotta kind of get going. No one helped me pick out anybody to underwear bomb today. We don't have that many underwear bombers, anyways. We have J-Bin, me. I don't know. Whoever else is lurking. Alright, boys, we'll catch you another time. Probably not till next week, but then after that it'll be pretty consistent. And even, you know what, I might even stream doing Reynolds in G-Town. I might do that because I gotta go down and help Dan. We have some tenant turnover, but it's good though. It's the units that I could increase by a lot. So, but anyways.